Welcome to GIIS Smart Campus Hadapsar, Pune. We are now standing at the entrance gate that shall take us into the most beautiful and digitalized campus. Towards the right side of the main gate is the security cabin. Now we enter the school reception, which has a waiting area, admission departments, counselor's office, and counseling cabins. There are 3 counseling cabins towards the left side. As we turn towards the right, we see the accounts office,
Let's initiate our tour with a visit to the admin office and principal's cabin. It's a beautiful office with all the admin officers functioning at their cubicle. The staff members and the students' attendants are marked with the facial recognition machine. Well, now we move on to the corridor that takes us to the teacher's workspace. The corridors have beautifully decorated notice boards which not only beautify the campus but also gives a glimpse of the activities that are regularly conducted during physical schooling. To the right side of the corridor is the assembly area where students gather for their morning prayer. Now we enter into the Global Student Exchange, also called as a virtual conference room. This room is one of the best designed rooms of the campus, where students are exposed to an international platform. Programs such as Global Student Exchange, Heritage Quiz, etc. are organized here, where students get a chance to compete with international students from Tokyo, Singapore, and Dubai campuses. Now we are moving towards the staff pantry. All the necessary facilities like the microwave, coffee machine are provided in the pantry. Now to the girls' restroom, which also has the women staff restroom opposite to it. This pattern exists in all the 6th floor. Hygiene and cleanliness is given utmost importance in the campus.
Well, that's the most interesting, cheerful, and energetic part of the building. The pre-primary Tiny Tots wing. Each of the classrooms are planned only to accommodate 24 students with 2 teachers and a helper. The classrooms contain 2 notice boards where birthday charts, weather charts, Star of the Week, etc., are always being put up that encourages the students to perform better in everyday activities. The classrooms are always full of wall hangings and placards during physical schooling that makes these tiny tots fall in love with the rooms. Now, let's peep into the Montessori lab. It is a place for students' practice sessions and getting hands-on experience for the concepts being taught in class. The laboratory is well equipped and allows the kids to learn while they have fun. This entire floor and wing is dedicated to the pre-primary department. Now, we move on to the sports room, which has all the sports equipment assembled. This is the entry to the sports ground. The sports ground has a play area for the tiny tots and an arena for the outdoor sports. Every floor in the school has a water purifier that provides both warm and cold water. Let's move towards the lift to visit the first floor. There are 2 lifts in the school.
As we enter the first floor, we walk into the school library, which is very spacious and contains books that are easily accessible. There are different seating arrangements that gives the reader a special corner to enjoy his readings. It also has a smart board where students can watch moral stories. Moving out, the next door leads to the STEAM lab, where students are exposed to various mathematical and scientific thought processes, thereby creating some amazing models. Well, now that's the teacher's workspace and is made available in every single floor. It contains approximately 10 desktops that helps the teachers to complete their daily task more efficiently.
This is a place of students' interest. The most important invention of mankind that helps them enter the digital world, the ICT lab. It consists of 30 systems for the staff and students. ICT practicals are conducted for students of grade 1 to 8. Now that's the Visual Arts lab. Well equipped and displayed with student-made handicrafts. Moving on, this is the corridor that leads to the primary classrooms. Each class has a smart board and 2 whiteboards. Every student has been allotted a digital locker for use. The classrooms are designed to accommodate 32 students with no unnecessary crowding and is well ventilated. Each classroom has two notice boards to display the class timetable, important notices, birthday charts, etc. Now, let's take the stairs that leads to the second floor.
As we enter the corridor of the second floor, we land up at the audiovisual room, which is acoustic and has a seating capacity of 100. Programs such as Graduation Day, special seminars for parents and students are conducted here. The AV room has a projector which is attached to a wide screen. It also has an amazing audio system which can be used during the functions. Now let's move to the world of music. The music room has multiple instruments such as guitar, tabla, harmonium, keyboard, drums, etc. Students not only learn music but are also enlightened about a new career which is never spoken about in regular academics. Adjacent to the music room is the dance room. This beautiful room has paintings of various dance forms on the walls. Moving on, we go to the composite lab. The laboratory contains all the necessary reagents, chemicals, and equipments which allows students to perform experiments that enhances their learning.
To the opposite of all these special rooms are the secondary classrooms that have smart boards, whiteboards, student lockers, and much more. The building pattern would remain the same throughout, with the washrooms on both the sides of the corridors, and the activity and special rooms on the other side.